Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can check spam emails in your Gmail in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you just need to go for your Google Chrome. You can choose any of your preferable browser. And then you just need to go for Gmail. Here you can say I am in Gmail. And now if you come over at the left side and you will get an option called More. Click on that. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the option called spam. So click on that. And here I can see there are all emails that your Gmail find out that could be a spam. If it's not a spam, then you just need to click on that. And then if you click on report no spam, so click on that. And that email will be added into your inbox. So yeah, this is how you can find out spam emails into your Gmail in a very simple way. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.